Welcome to the operation video series of the Duco robot, Intelligent Welding System. In this operation, we will teach a circular arc weld, similar to teaching a linear weld. Click the Weld Path button on the operation interface to switch from linear to arc mode. The system is currently in full circle mode. First, we teach the midpoint of the circular arc. The Duco Intelligent Welding System requires 5 points. To teach a full circle weld, begin by teaching the first safe point, record this point. Next, teach the first arc starting point and record it. Then, drag to the second point and teach it at the quarter circle position. During the full circle arc welding operation, the start and end positions are constrained by the circle center. Record the arc ending point to complete the weld setup. Next, select the welding process. When choosing full circle weld in the welding process interface, you must select Constrained by Circle Center. For arc welds non-full circle, there are currently 3 modes available. Unconstrained transition to arc ending posture, consistent with arc starting posture. Constrained by circle center, when the weld arc exceeds a semicircle. Select Constrained by Circle Center for other arc conditions. Choose the appropriate mode based on actual requirements. Detailed on-site adjustments may be necessary depending on specific scenarios. Note, when welding a full circle, always select Constrained by Circle Center.